I know, I see, I hear. Do you understand the cost in years, in tears, the weight of the debt that build 2 lakes, then wake and flood across the land? We watch the waves carve out their preordained plans, each life, each grave, and then fill each one with sand. Listen what I say, time is not betrayed. Every moment cast, guaranteed to pass. Every moment close, soon to turn to ghosts.